Two simple tricks to remove any watermark in a Word document. It's quite easy and simple to remove any watermark in Word document. Press Open Word document on your PC. The first method is simply click on the Design tab at the top left corner of the screen. As you can see, there is watermark on this Word document. Simply to remove it, click on the watermark at the top right corner of the screen. And from this drop-down menu box, select Remove Watermark, and the watermark has been successfully removed. But if this watermark does not been removed on your PC or Word document, then what you can do is the second method is simply click on the header portion or the area at the top of the screen. For that, double click on the page and the header area opens. After that, you need to simply select on the watermark. Once you select the watermark on this Word document, press the delete button on your keyboard. After that, as you can see, the watermark has been successfully removed in Word document. So these were the two tricks to remove any watermark in Word document. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and press the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.